So guys, here you can see my mode MEK mode HTML, and in today's full stack web development video I'm telling about the what page title. Like in the previous video I told you about the favicon. So in today's video I'm telling about the HTML what page title. So yeah, I'm telling you about it. So you video start to and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also never miss any future latest videos about the HTML. So now without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's full stack web development video, I'm telling you about in the HTML what a page title. So yeah, I'm telling you about it. So let's get started without wasting any time and let's know what in the HTML what a page title. So let's start. Every web page should have a page title to describe the meaning of the page. Every web page should have a page title. Like if you open a Google, the Google have its page title. Let me show you here. You can see it. Or if you open the YouTube has its page title. If you open any website, like I'm opening like pixel.cut AI. So here is the title of this. And if you open ChatGPT, so ChatGPT has its title. So every web page has its title. Okay. Now minimize it now. The title element adds a title to your page. Okay, the title element in the HTML, if you want to add a title, so you use the title element to add a title to your page. How? Let me tell you. You just open your Visual Studio Code like this and then click on the new window and then click on the file, then create a new file like this, and only write here your file name. You write any name of your file, but in the end you must write .html because it is the syntax. This is the extension of creating the HTML file. Okay, I'm giving my file name should be index.html, and then okay, I'm giving my file name should be index.html, and then I'm making this file in my documents. Okay, anywhere you make your file of your HTML, I'm making in my documents. Okay, or you give the any name of your HTML file. Create file. So this type of pop-up is coming. That means index.html already exists. Do you want to replace it? It means like index.html file is already made it. Do you want to replace it? Or in that file there is not any such type of important work, so you will press yes. Or in that file there is any important work, so you press no and give the different name to your file. So I am pressing yes because in that file there is not any such type of important work in my that file, so I'm pressing yes. So here the logo has become of the index of the HTML and my file has been made it. Now what can I do? I control and I'm zooming the code now, and now perfect. Now here I am writing the starting code of the HTML. First of all, I define like less than sign, then doc tag. Then I am writing here HTML. Then when you're defining a title, when you're defining the title to your page, so you must write the title element in your head element in the head tag. Okay, so now I'm writing here title. You write your title element in your head tag. Okay, you must be careful. Now in the title element, like here's my title element has come. Here, this is the starting code of the title element, this is the ending code, and how it comes, let me show you. You only write here less than sign, then title, then this type of come, then enter press, then greater than sign. So here you can see it like this type of title element come. Then in here you will be write your title, like to title to your page, like I'm writing like HTML tutorial, and then in the body I'm defining like h1 should be hello, this is a paragraph, sorry, this is a heading. Now when I wrote it down and then when I save it and when I open in my document, when I open my index.html file, this is coming like here you can see it. Let me show you. HTML tutorial, my page title has been came here, HTML tutorial. Or you can change it. Let me show you how you can change it. You only come here and then you write here HTML. Sorry, if you are making your e-commerce website, so here you write your e-commerce website name, like I'm writing Shopsy. Then save it and run it. So here you can see the Shopsy has been came like here. Here you can see it like that. You can do it very easily. Yes. So now let me tell you what we can do now. We will become erase it, and now like that you will be give the title to your page like this. Okay. Now let me minimize it. Now The title is shown in the browser title bar, like in here. Okay, when you define a title, so the title will be shown you here. Okay, and here my favicon icon has been coming, and in the previous video I've already told you that how to add a favicon icon. Okay, now let me come here. Now the titles will describe the content and the meaning of the page. Okay, you must know that the titles will describe the content and meaning of the page. Like if I open the Google, so the Google title has been came. The title will describe the content and meaning of the page. You must know that the page title is very important for search engine optimization, SEO. In the short form, SEO stands for search engine optimization. Okay, and the page title is very important for search engine optimization. The text is used by search engine algorithms to decide the order when listing the pages in search results. Okay, like if I say give me AI website, so it gives me many AI websites. Okay, like here. But like I've told you, the page title is very important for search engine optimization. This website has very good search engine optimization, that's why it is coming in the first. Okay, and then the text is used by search engine algorithm to decide the order when listing the page in search results. Okay, this text this making AI helpful for everyone. This text is used by search engine algorithms to decide the order when listing the pages in the search results. Like here you can see it. Now the title element, what the title element can do, what it can do, let me tell you. First, it defines a title in the browser toolbar. Number 2, it provides a title for the page when it is added to favorites. Number 3, it displays a title for the page in search engine results. Okay, the title element can do these 3 types of things. So try to make the title as accurate and meaningful as possible. Okay, please try to make your title accurate and meaningful as possible. Not give like this type of title, like this type of. Give the title accurate and meaningful as possible. Okay, like e-commerce website. If you are making the e-commerce website, so give the e-commerce website. Then save it and then so e-commerce website has been come here, like that. Okay, or you can change your title many times, or if you want to add one more title, but you will be not added. Let me show you. So obviously save it and run it. So here is coming only one title, not 2 title. Okay, here you can see it like that. Now HTML title tag, we learned about in today's video. I told you about the tag of title and the description of it. It defines the title of the document. Okay, title element defines the title of the document. Okay, like you give the any title to your document. Like if you are building the e-commerce website in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, then you write by code with PK. Now save it and run it. So here is coming like e-commerce website in HTML, CSS and JavaScript and by code with PK. Like here it's coming like that. You can do it very easily. Yeah. So now like that, and you must know that in the head section the title element will be work. But if you write title element in the body section, like here I write like title element e-commerce website in HTML, CSS and JavaScript with source code, or and I erase it in from the head section. Now save it and run it. So like here it is coming, but like let me remove it like that. Okay, you must know that it is not coming here. Okay, there is not coming. You must know that the title element should be in the head section, not anywhere. Okay, it should be in head section, not in the body section. Okay, in the head section it should be your title element. Okay, you must know that. So now here you can see it. In today's video I told you about the HTML what are the title page titles. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also never any future related videos about the HTML. So now I'm using next lesson, next very amazing like that type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.